Dear students, today we will discuss about the enthalpy of sublimation. It is very important topic of chapter 6 chemical thermodynamics because with help of enthalpy of sublimation we will discuss about the various type of change in enthalpy in a changing of state from solid to gaseous state. As you already know that about the sublimation, what is sublimation process and what are sublimine substances. We know that if any solid substance changes from solid to its gaseous state directly, then that process is known as sublimation and that substance is known as a sublimine substance. Sublimation is a type of process in which any solid substance is directly changed into its vapor or gaseous state. Now here we will discuss about the enthalpy of sublimation. So enthalpy of sublimation is the heat change when 1 mole of any solid substance is directly changed into its gaseous state. Enthalpy of sublimation means heat change. It is heat change when 1 mole of any solid substance is directly changed into its respective gaseous state. For example, iodine is a sublimine substance. If iodine is taken, I2 present in solid state and this I2 change into gaseous state. Here delta H change in enthalpy, change in energy is equal to plus 62.4 kilojoule per mole, and this amount of heat is known as a enthalpy of sublimation. Enthalpy of sublimation delta H is equal to delta H fusion, enthalpy of fusion plus enthalpy of vaporization. Delta H sublimation is equal to the delta H fusion plus delta H vaporization. Enthalpy of sublimation is equal to the enthalpy of fusion plus enthalpy of vaporization. So it is a about the enthalpy of sublimation. Now we will discuss about the heat of formation or enthalpy of formation. Heat of formation or enthalpy of formation. Heat of formation. Heat of formation. Heat of formation. Heat of formation or enthalpy of formation. Heat of formation or enthalpy of formation. Heat of formation or enthalpy of formation. It is defined as the heat or energy absorbed or evolved when 1 mole of any solid substance is obtained from its corresponding constituent elements. It is heat evolved or absorbed when 1 mole of any substance is obtained from its respective constituent elements. For example, if carbon amorphous form is taken, C amorphous form is taken, which combined with oxygen to form CO2 carbon dioxide. Then in this process, means formation of carbon dioxide with respect to carbon and oxygen leads to change in energy delta H is equal to minus 393.4 kilojoule per mole. And this amount of energy, this amount of heat change is equal to the heat of formation or enthalpy of formation. Similarly, if formation of hydrochloric acid is taken, so H2 plus Cl2, hydrogen gas and chlorine gas combine together to form twice HCl. Hydrogen and chlorine combine together to form twice HCl, hydrochloric acid. Here, heat change delta H is equal to minus 44 kilojoule per mole, and in this way for 1 mole heat change delta H is equal to 44 by 2 is equal to 22 kilojoule per mole. Here delta H is equal to minus 44 only, not per mole. So delta H means heat of formation is equal to 44 by 2, and this will be minus 22 kilojoule. Heat of any reaction, heat of reaction will be equal to the heat of reaction delta H naught, means heat of reaction in standard form. Heat of reaction will be equal to the sum of standard heat of formation of product, sum of standard heat of formation of products minus sum of standard heat of formation of reactants. Sum of standard heat of formation of reactant. In this way, heat of reaction, standard heat of reaction is equal to the sum of standard heat of formation of product minus sum of standard heat of formation of reactant. Now, next we will discuss about the. Now we will solve one numerical problem which is based on heat of formation. And dear students, you should always keep it in mind, in free state of any species, heat of formation is taken as a zero, like H2, O2, N2. Heat of formation of such type of molecular species is assumed to be zero. Now we will solve very important numerical. Question. Calculate the heat of formation of reaction. Calculate the heat of formation. Calculate the heat of following reaction, not formation. Calculate the heat of following reaction. Heat of following reaction. Reaction is given, that is F2O plus H2O, both are present in gaseous state. F2O plus H2O, this gives twice HF gas and O2 gas. the heat of formation of F2 gas, the heat of formation, the heat of formation of F2O, the heat of formation of F2 gas, 2O gas, the heat of formation of F2O gas, F2O gas, H2O gas, F2O gas, H2O gas, and HF gas, are 22 kilojoule per mole, minus 285 kilojoule per mole, and minus 276 kilojoule per mole, respectively, respectively. Now delta H for reaction is equal to the delta H for reaction will be equal to the sum of delta H of products minus sum of delta H of reactants. In this way, reaction is this one. So delta H is equal to 2 into delta 2 into HF 2 into HF 2 into H of HF plus H of O2 minus HF of F2 plus HF of H2. HF heat of formation, and it will be equal to the heat of formation of F2O H2O. So HF heat of formation is minus 276. 2 into minus 276 plus minus 285 minus, in another bracket, the heat of formation of F2O H2O is this much. Now 2 into minus 276 plus minus 285. This one is the heat of formation of product minus heat of formation of reactant. So HF for F2O is equal to, for F2O is equal to 22. So this one is the 22 plus HF of, here HF of O2 is 0. So this will be equal to 0 because it is present in free state. So 2 into minus 276. This one is for HF. And for H2O, it will be minus 285. So it will be minus 285. And finally it will be equal to the, minus 289 kilojoule. Minus 289 kilojoule. So this one is the heat of formation for reaction F2O plus H2O. This gives twice HF plus O2. This one is the heat of formation of this reaction F2O plus H2O. This gives twice HF plus O2. Now, dear students, we will discuss about the enthalpy of combustion. Enthalpy of combustion. Enthalpy of combustion. Enthalpy of combustion. Enthalpy of combustion or heat of combustion. Enthalpy of combustion or heat of combustion is defined as the amount of heat absorbed or evolved when 1 mole of any substance is oxidized. It is amount of heat evolved or absorbed when 1 mole of any substance is oxidized. For example, if CH4 is taken, methane is taken, so CH4 oxidized, CH4 plus O2, this gives CO2 plus H2O. This one is present in gaseous state. This one is also present in gaseous state. Carbon dioxide is also present in gaseous state, and H2O is present in liquid state. Here heat of combustion delta H is equal to the minus 890.3 kilojoule per mole. So it is amount of heat evolve or absorb when 1 mole of any solid substance is undergoes to oxidize, because you know that combustion is a type of oxidation in which amount of energy is released. That is known as a combustion.